Alright, you're about to go off a rail? Ah, fuck.
Have to go to hell.
Holy crap! Oh shit. Alright, you're about to go off a rail? Ah, fuck.
Have to go to hell.
Holy crap! Oh shit.
It's over! Fuck you, bitches! Get the deck now!
Crap. Do you see this?
Get rid
Did you see what I mean? Just, I wanna keep doing this real quick. Wait, you want me to do it now? Alright. This is fun.
Smell this.
Like, I just light up the
Can't
hill.
stop hitting it.
Alright, just a moment. Now go ahead and...
Throw one for yourself.
You're an asshole! Die! I got you covered!
I'm not.
Officer down!
Throw tear gas on them.
Fuck, that's why I
It's like-
died. You killed me.
What?
You killed me with tear gas. Fuck you.
Is it really?
Yes. It didn't tell me
But
that you
that's
killed
not-
me because it was a secondary action.
I thought it was. I thought it was. I thought it was. I thought I had friendly fire on. I don't know why I'm laughing so hard at that.
I can't seem to get up on this truck. Okay, there we go.
I just you were like completely oblivious to the fact that I threw tear gas in there, even though I said smell this like 6 times.
I'm burning a pee.
Okay, save that video clip.
Uh.